Hello friends, thank you for joining me at Cherokee Lockpicking. Tonight, first of all, I would like to congratulate the Helpful Lockpicker on his 15,000 subscribers. That is really wonderful and I'm happy for you. I enjoy your channel and I'm sure that everyone that tunes into you will enjoy you too. So tonight I'm going to pick a Master Pro Series 6850. And here is the bidding on there. It's not too bad a bidding, but I've seen a lot better. Okay, I had bought a 6-pack of these, and my plan is to turn them into challenge locks and send them out. So if someone out there would like one, give me a holler. Alrighty, so this is a pretty heavy lock, and I don't know, it's got a real heavy spring on it too, so I mean, I'm sure you can see that, and you have to pull the shackle out. It doesn't pop out. Okay. Got one too many pairs of glasses sitting here. I like to use bottom of the keyway on this particular lock. And I'm going to try my diamond forced hook here in the beginning, and felt a little click on 5. A lot of crunching in there. Hope everybody's staying warm and cool depending on where you're at. Okay, number 3, I believe it was, gave me a little turn on the core. I know a lot of people in the Midwest are getting some extremely weather and extremely cold weather. And Pocket Woman over in Australia has a lot of heat waves going on over there. So hard to understand. Wow. What's going on? Okay. I think I'm going to get in here with a standard hook. I'm having trouble getting under number 1. Keep sliding off. There we go. Oh, got it open too. And I'll take it. Now this this lock, not use device as much. You gotta make sure you turn it just right for that shackle to pop out. There we go. Move this guy out of the way and see what's inside of it. I know it does take a 764 Allen to open these. wonder if you guys can hear that dog barking. He starts barking and he barks for about an hour, I think, till his master comes home. And he's way over there on the other side of the hill. And I can hear him plain as day. I kind of feel sorry for him. These locks are pretty heavy. Built pretty solid. Had ball bearings in them and greasy. Okay, let's get this guy open. See what's in there. Come on now, don't give me no trouble. We're on camera. Ouch again. Getting there. Work good when you have the right size. Okay. Let's put that key in there. See about getting this guy open. I'm not gonna worry about no shim tonight. Okay. There's 5 pins in here. Jumped in the wrong hole. Come on, you can do it. Okay. You know, I didn't even turn my lights on. The lights are on, but nobody's home. I wonder what this is gonna look like in the dark. If you ever. Okay, now the way you can tell the front from the back on these cylinders is on these, the front sticks out just a little farther than the back. It helps us dummies. Okay, so let's get number 1 out without losing it. Number 1 is a spool. See how we're doing here. Getting out of frame, aren't I? Well, I'll zoom in when I get them out. Okay, looks like number 2's a spool. 3's a spool. 4's a spool. Number 5 is a serrated driver. Okay. Let's take a look at the springs. Boy. There we go. Okay, everyone. Put this up here and see if I can get it in frame. Do a little zoom in. Gosh, I hope the first part of this wasn't so dark. I've been making a lot of boo-boos lately, and I don't know why. I'm just tired, I think. Okay, so these bottom key pins are all standard, and then the top is all spools with one serrated in number 5. So anyways, that concludes this lock. And again, I want to congratulate the Helpful Lockpicker with over 15,000 subscribers. I hope you all have a wonderful evening and a very relaxing evening. So, hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.